heading to Meru, and right here I'm at a place called Mwea. So I'm now heading to Meru. You can see the distance is still a bit long, and I'm here to cover the remaining distance. I just want to refresh, to take some drinks, and then from there I proceed on with the journey. So that's the place I'm heading to. Have you seen it? Yeah, so that's the place I'm heading. Runyanja is the place. Yeah, and this is the car that I'm using. It's very comfortable and very spacious. So it is. I'm somewhere here at a place called Meru. Yeah, I'm at a place called Meru. So from here, I was told it's some few kilometers to Meru town. So I still have a distance to cover. The market is nice, it's called Hilltop. Meru. Yeah, Meru. Yeah, so that's where I am right now. And you can see there's a highway right behind me. I think you can see it. Yeah, so from there I still have some distance to cover, yeah, before I could get to Meru town. Yeah, so let us talk some other time. Okay. I've just parked my car somewhere here, and yeah, this is a parking lot, so it's not a bad place. Maybe just show you from the gate, because I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, I don't want to get out of the entrance. But that's a place. Yeah, it's such a nice place. Yeah, so this is a place where I'll be spending my night. And yeah, so this is Meru town. Yeah, but I don't want to go further this place. I just wanted to see from the main entrance. Yeah, so that's the place where I'm spending my night tonight. So from there, I'll be heading back in to City in order for you to see. Yeah. So that is it.